Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How you doing today? I'm pretty excited about this video. I've had this look in my phone for the longest time ever, and I've been postponing when I'd create the look. So today I got the opportunity to sit down, and yeah, and I started creating today. This look is actually a recreation. I actually saw something like this on Instagram. I'm going to leave the picture down here below so you see what I'm talking about. And yeah, we're going for this, cloud and rainbow look. And I already started off by prepping my lid and applying that blue shade. So I'm just gonna shut up right now because this video is definitely self-explanatory. Now, if you have any questions for me, please leave them down below in the comment section. I'll definitely get right to it. And don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe to this channel and share this video with your friends. Okay. Guys, I had to come on here to tell you about this part. That's a white eyeshadow, like literally with white chalk white. So after applying that eyeshadow primer all over my lid, I'm going to set it with that white eyeshadow using a fluffy brush, and I'm just um tapping it very gently on my lid. I know this video got blurry at some point or got too white. I don't know what was going on with the phone, so please bear with me, guys. I tried as much as I can to make sure the colors are bright so that you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. Now this neon, you already know my neons are from Cosmetics. This is the neon stack, so I'll be using the first red neon color followed by the orange and the yellow. I missed a color. Can you imagine? I'm supposed to apply green, but somehow I forgot that. I don't know why, but yeah, it still looks pretty good anyway. So yeah, please give this video a thumbs up already if you haven't. Please do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please subscribe and join this family for more awesome videos like this. Now for my face, I'll start off by using that Pond's Oil Control to control oil on my face, and following that up with my foundation and concealer and my setting powders. I'm not going to dwell so much on this process because I did a lot of this on my last video. So if you want to see my contouring and highlighting routine, please do check my last video. I'm going to leave the link right above this video right now, so do click on it and watch that. Now, to set my face, I'll be using my Zaron Perfect Finish, spraying it on my beauty blender and just tapping it down. This way, I get rid of any of those powder cakiness and stuff like that. And I'm going ahead to finish my brows. Yep.
TikTok, pretty baby. You can get it back, don't you waste it. Grow from your past, gotta face it.